Welcome back to the Pandemic Garage. Got a little update for you. So I got a hold of Bernard Kracke himself, the man who, discovered this whole thing. The whole reason, I wouldn't be building any of these sewerponics if it wasn't for him. He's a professor in Hawaii, and he likes my system. And he actually wants me to run an experiment for him, testing 6 plants, the same plant. We're gonna go with a winter squash at 3 different levels. So 2 plants per level. One's gonna be at half full, the next one's gonna be at a quarter full, and the next one's gonna be at 1 inch full. And we're gonna run this experiment so we know, is there any benefit to having the final level, a little bit higher or a little bit lower. So yeah, it's cool. I actually, got a good response from him. He likes my setup and he wants me to, do this test for him and show him the results. So went to Home Depot today, got a few things. I already had most of what I had, and I got these 3 set up at the levels that he wanted. And I got some winter squash right there. I was debating on winter squash or cucumber, but the winter squash has a 75 day to harvest, and this was a little bit shorter, is at 50 to 55. And I'm really trying to prove that the Kratky method can work long-term with these floats, plants that go on and on and on. I don't really see an end in sight. As long as you have a float in here, you can keep a plant going, as long as it can go, in my opinion. But yeah, Bernard Kracke wants me to run this experiment. So they're all set up. I just got to put the floats inside the containers, they all go inside of a pipe. So I just have it in reverse right now so you can see the levels. And we're going to see, what performs best. So this is going to be the start of the, height test. So stay updated. And we'll see which one works out best. I'm going to get these guys all hooked up, and we got probably a week or 2 before the seeds are, root bound in my cup, the way I like to do it. So stay updated. Pandemic Garage, out for now.